We're a consulting partner, so we work primarily with SaaS businesses that are building on AWS. So we engage with Learnably, who are a learning platform. Through well-architected reviews, we learned that onboarding new developers onto their team was fairly time-consuming. We also learned that there were some security, not major sort of security deficiencies, but things that would definitely flag as part of an ISO audit. Through having gone through that well-architected review process, we provided them with a list of recommendations. We helped them to prioritize those based on which we thought was more important as far as their business goals were concerned, and then we worked through those things. We used Control Tower to provide a really good sort of foundation of practice for their security story. We can bring that experience to bear for customers like Learnably, who then don't need to spend their time worrying about things that are not business differentiating features for them. Learnably are really very well set up for future growth. They're in a position now where onboarding new developers is quick and easy, very cost effective. They can scale their team up without worrying that the infrastructural components that they use are going to get in the way. That level of confidence that they can provide to their buyers pays off in the sales cycle.